Where did all the rectangle tube go? Where did it go? Well, there's some of it. There's 50 pieces right here, all marked out, ready to be drilled and cut and welded for the grousers. Today, I ran out of welding wire right there. That was as far as I got on this grouser. What was that? Anyhow, I got 2 more rolls of wire coming today. It's supposed to be here, but it gave me a good opportunity to do the rest of the layout on the grousers that need to be built. So there's 50 sitting there. This is 51. And there's 93 that are done right here in this beautiful pile. So 48 times 3, because there's 48 10-foot sticks, 3 grousers in each stick, which is 144. So I should end up with 4 extra if I actually use 70 grousers on each track. Or maybe I'll end up with only a couple extra because I used 71. I don't know. We'll find out as the build progresses. I got the belting, the rock quarry belting here, ready to go. I just need to bust out these last 50 grousers to move forward on this project. And I know I haven't died yet. It's just every day is like Groundhog's Day. I wake up, I work out, and then I come out here and I do anywhere from 8 to 14 of these grousers each day. And this is how far I've come in, what, 8 days? So the process is going a little bit quicker. I revised some of my tooling. I actually made a template out of plastic to make the marks on these, and so I finished those up today. Not much else has gone on aside from the grousers. There's one other thing that I did, but it didn't work out. So I got the DatCon tachometer, but as luck would have it, that $40 gamble didn't work out because this one won't work either. It doesn't have the correct settings for the pulse per revolutions that I need. So I should have just done this in the first place and ordered the ISS Pro tachometer that's got all the dip switches on it, because you can program it to any settings you want. Yeah. On a side note, my alternator died for whatever reason. It was probably because I had to weld these on right here, and the little voltage regulator in there probably sent some of the voltage and bit the bullet. So I emailed the guys that sent me this. I think they're going to send me another regulator or rectifier or whatever, but I just ordered another one. I'll rebuild this one and keep it as a spare to take with in case that happens in the field. I was going to buy a spare starter and a spare alternator anyway, so this kind of works out. What else can I tell you? Here's the idea I had with, working on the engine. It's not too bad getting it up there. It is kind of a bear to get it to that point, but once it's up there, it's not too bad at all. So those bungee cords worked out pretty good. Got the seat belts fixed. Those came in. I got those fixed. There was something else that I got too, and I can't remember what it was. I'm thinking about making a cold air intake. Let me know down in the comments if you think I should take this intake. I've got enough pipe to extend it all the way out to the front there. I don't know if there's going to be any benefit in doing it, but I could put the filter like right there behind this horn. I think it would look cool, but like I said, I don't know if there's going to be much benefit on a SNOWCAT with a cold air intake. I guess every little bit helps. Had to change out a couple of O-rings on these fittings for the transmission cooler up here because it was leaking like a sieve. So I fixed that with some copper washers. What else? I got the correct brackets there, so now all the pallets are held down. And I just want to give you guys an update video. I know I've been kind of a ghost. I've been really focused on getting this done. And it's basically been my life for the last 8 days. And I am getting burnt out on it, to be honest. I just want it to be done so I can move on with my life. It's getting ridiculous. I didn't realize when I took the track build on that these grousers were going to be so intense. And man, they are intense. You know, just doing 10 a day, after that 10th one, I lose my focus. I forget the pattern that I'm doing. I start making mistakes. So, because my mind just wanders all over the place after a while. So I just want to get these done and move on. And hopefully, well, I guarantee you this week I am done with this. I am gonna bomb these out. I don't care how much I suffer. I just want to be done with them. I've got a bunch of maintenance I got to do on Abel. He needs an oil change and a tire rotation. So things are starting to pile up on me. Also, myself and another LMTV owner were talking about this whole trailer thing. And he's been trailering around giant 5,000-pound tanks on one of these 1082s, and he said it's sketchy as all get out. So my plans have changed as far as trailering the SNOWCAT around. I have a couple options in my pocket. You guys will see that on the channel here. Whatever options I do end up using, I have some extra supplies now, so I do have enough material to make some bigger ramps if I want, or reinforce the trailer. And I also have these toolboxes that I can use to put on that trailer to carry gear and whatnot. So that's something you'll see coming up here on the channel. The track assembly, I will definitely film some of the track assembly, because that's going to be another one of those monotonous, crazy days, and punching holes in the belts and all that stuff. I have a crap ton of hardware sitting here ready to go for the track. So I'm looking forward to getting the tracks done. I think you guys are really going to like the way that Rusty looks with the tracks on. Right now he looks like super skinny. Oh, big deal. It's just a little stinking SNOWCAT. But once the tracks get put on, I think that's going to just change the whole look of the SNOWCAT. I think he's going to look aggressive. I think he's going to look mean. I think he's going to look awesome. So I'm really excited to get the tracks done and move on with that part. Once the tracks are on, the SNOWCAT's done, then we can deal with figuring out this whole trailer situation. But like I said, I definitely do not want to tip a 1082 over on the road. That would look really bad for the military vehicle community that I'm a part of. And you could get in some sort of trouble with law enforcement, you know, overloading a trailer like that. Not overloading it, but they're really not designed to carry that much weight and be maneuverable, as my friend was telling me. He's lifted the tires off the ground on them going around a corner and not going very fast, going maybe like 30. So it's pretty sketch. I don't think I want to do that. That freaked me out. But anyways, I hope that gets you guys caught up. And if you like this video, as always, give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with others, because that's how we get more subscribers to the channel. And that's how my channel grows. That way I can make more videos for you guys, do more resto mods, and show you what I come up with. But other than that, guys, take care, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.